Pang-apat ko na tong video. My God. Parati akong erase kasi parang pangit ang message ko. But anyway, Happy New Year! Happy New Year in the sense na bagong taon na naman sa buhay mo. Tsaka, bagong trials siguro, bagong blessings, or ano pa tikilay sasabi ko. Pero una sa lahat, sorry kasi ang baboy ng picture or ng tao or ano ba yan, baboy yung image ko dyan sa sa video. So sorry kasi hindi pa ako ready magpakita ng face lock tsaka napasensyahan mo na rin yung boses ko. Alam kong ewan tong boses ko tsaka Tagalog ko ang weird. So mas mahal kita, gagawan kita ng ganito, tsaka mas mahal ko rin yung sinahin, gagawa ako ng ganito. But anyway, mas mahal kasi kita, kaya gagawan kita ng ganito. Pero mahal ko rin sinahin, ano ba yan? But anyway, happy birthday, Blessy! Alala ko pa yung first kilala nating moments, diba? Dahil yun kay Jerome Ponce, my loves, joke, your loves pala. So, ayun, yun na yung, doon na nagsisimula yung nothing but your t-shirt on. Yun, yung knock-knock mo. Sabi yun, natatawa talaga ako doon nung una. Oo, seryoso. Kahit, alam mo yun, yung parang t-shirt from t-shirt to t-shirt, parang masyadong obvious. Pero, wala, natawa pa rin ako. Mababaw kasi talaga ako. But anyway, nothing but your t-shirt on. Happy birthday, Jessie. Alam ko walang kwenta itong pinagsasabi ko. But anyway, sana napagiti kita sa Record Voice at Club kong ito. At sana hahaba pa yung mga buhay natin, yung friendship natin, at sana magkatuluyan na kayo ni Jerome Rosena. Basta, alam mo yun, wishing you all the best in life. Alam ko naman, makakamit mo yung mga pangarap mo kasi hardworking ka naman, tsaka mabait, tsaka kaibigan ako, diba? Basta ako kaibigan. Pag ako kaibigan mo, makakamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo, no? Joke lang. But anyway, happy birthday, Blessy! I love you! My God! Basta yung boses ko po pasensyahan mo. Natawa ka na nga ng tawa dyan. Okay lang pagtawanan mo ko. Kasi ako natatawa na ako sa boses ko Tsaka, imingin. Happy birthday ulit! Tsaka, happy birthday ulit! Mahal kita! I love you. Mwah! Ayun, kiss. Happy birthday, Bessie!
Hi, Darto Blessy. So, kumusta ang birthday girl? Oh, well, I really have an awful voice, so pasensya na. First of all, I'm hoping that you're enjoying and relishing this important day of yours. Of course, I'd like to greet and wish you a happy and felicitous birthday. And I'm very much auspicious to be a part of the previous year of your life and hopefully as well as the coming years. The Guitar group, our group, was formed in a very unanticipated way. Sisisa, if you could remember. And you know what? I'm very dexterous that I'm part of the group, though I'm not that close to you that time. Sa inyo ni Aryan and Robin. I know we're not that knowledgeable about each other yet because of busy school days and tons of to-dos that hinder us to interact more often, but I want you guys to know that you're very dear to me, and my cyber life would not have been complete without you. Well, wish for you, Blessy. I wish you success as you take another step forward towards achieving your dreams. Okay, why am I creating a drama in here? Well, anyway, if I tell you everything in this audio message, I might end up creating a movie length AVP. So, to sum it up, I wish you nothing but the best. O parang yung lyrics lang from Adele's song. I won't sing it na ha. I don't want to ruin your birthday. So once again, happy birthday. And always remember that I'm here for you no matter what and no matter how busy I am. Lagi ako nandito to be your shoulder to lean on. To the future, Blasty Crisaldo, CPA, CIA, or kung ano man yung idudugtong pa dyan. Happy, 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 happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Turtle Blasi. I don't have Photoshop installed here in my PC, so I can't make you graphics, and I'm not good in making graphics anyway, so yeah. Okay, so finally you are 19, meaning you're very, very legal now. You can watch porn every day from now on. Woo. Just kidding. Alright, here comes what I want to say to you in your 19th birthday. First of all, thank you for all this time that you're here beside me, not literally, but in a way that you're just there whenever I needed someone to talk to with everything. And even when I'm just simply bored with my life and needed someone to entertain me. And thank you for all the things that you've done to me, good things and bad things. Thank you so much. I am a bit shy saying this, but I really, really, really love you in the most platonic friendship is okay. I really love you and I really treasure you. You are one of the most treasured and most precious and special person in my life, and I just don't know what will I do if I ever lose you. Okay, so now you are 19. I'm so happy for you that you are very, very legal now, and you and Jerome, or no, you and Rick can finally get married now. Should I call first now? Well, but no. John Lee will get mad. So yes, I wish you so much good luck in your life. Stay pretty and smart as you are, strong and healthy, cheerful and bubbly, and just like what I always telling, turtle tayo eh. Sure, I have so much thing I wanted to say, but you know me, I am very forgetful and lazy, so maybe next time again. Once again, happy 19th birthday, and I love you so much. From your dearest Serenity Colors, Harbin. I love you, bye.